we start, we need 1 egg and separate natin yung egg yolk tsaka yung white egg and makeup brush and of course the tissue paper. Ulan, dapat nakatali ang buhok saka malinis ang ating muka bago i-apply ang egg white sa ating muka. So we need use brush, makeup, and then egg white, tsaka ipahid sa ating muka at lagyan ng tissue paper. So ayan mga beshi, hindi siya enough. Lagyan ulit ng egg white, tsaka ipahid ulit. After that, lagyan ulit ng 2 layers, basang-basa rin. Alam nyo ba, ang paggamit ng egg white mask ay nakakatulong po siya papatanggal ng whitehead tsaka yung blackhead, tightening skin and pores ay nakikipot po siya and reduce acne scars, redness, and less breakout. Egg are good for deep cleansing treatment and the puting is good for firming up your skin. So murang papaganda siya at nakakatipid ka na. So guys, subukan nyo po para mapaganda yung skin nyo like me. So ayan mga beshi, sa kabila naman tayo, ganun pa yung gagawin. 1 layer, after that 2 layers, siguro din po nating basang-basa siya para maganda yung pagkadikit niya. After applying this mask, your face will become tightened pores, good oil balancing, and good texture. Leave on 15 minutes and then fill up. After that, rinse your face with water. So ayan guys, murang papaganda egg face mask. Sobrang nakakatipid ka na, nakakatanggal ng whitehead tsaka blackhead. Sa susunod kong video, meron akong re-review Kiko Fill Face Mask Cake. Ayan. So guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment down below and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking video. Bye!